We're here for a bee hole update.
Yes. And as you know, there's a lot of bee holes in Georgia. A lot of them are made by carpenter bees. They eat your house. We're trying to trap them. We made some traps last year. And I think we learned a few things. And so we're going to show you what we learned and a couple of theories, hypotheticals that we're not exactly sure about, but we're going to show you them today.
Yeah.
As you can see, I tried to put these traps as close to the old holes as I could get them, hoping to catch the bees that were inside the holes. And I noticed the ones that are actually in the holes that are here already usually don't get trapped. Now, I think that the ones that come out, the emerging bees, they're looking for holes, so they are more susceptible to being trapped, as you can see here. So here I plugged all the holes. I put steel wool and caulked the holes so that there's no holes in this area. And as you can see, there's about 6 or 7 bees in there compared to one over there. Now we're going to go around the other side of the house, and I'm going to show you something that I think is really interesting. Let me put the glasses back on. Okay, now here's the weird thing. I saw a video that was talking about building fake hornets' nests. And supposedly, those are supposed to scare off the bees. Now, I haven't built any of those. But if you look over on that side of the house, I've got gourds. There's no bees on that side of the house. And I think it's because we have these gourds hanging up and this other lantern that simulate and make the bees think that there's hornets' nests on this side of the house. There's no bees on this side of the house. There was bees over here. Let me show you. See, this has got 4 or 5 bees in it. On that side of the house, we haven't had any bees, and all of the traps that are close to those gourds don't have any bees in them. So I think there might be something to actually building fake hornets' nests. So that's another option. Anyways, that's the update for the bee holes in Georgia. And it's all a learning process, I guess. We actually got these on the side of the road up near Xylo-Ziko. And we like hanging them up here. And I think they might be effective in keeping the bees away. I don't know. Got gourds